What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Gilliam Rapier in Crimson Desert. For this, make sure to have a mask ready since you'll be needing to steal the item. If you're collecting more weapons for Damien, here's another rapier for her. The Gilliam Rapier is not so special, but it can be a good early game find. With 13 points in attack and a level 1 attack speed boost. It's got no abyss gears, but the 3 vacant slots are open for modification. When I said it's a potential early game weapon, I wasn't kidding, because you could just pick it up to the northwest of the town of Hernan, inside the Calphadian territory. It's exactly on this waypoint which aligns vertically with Hernan's letter N. If we zoom in, it's right out in the open on these fields to the northeast of the Church of Calphade. Go there and start from this shed. Next, I want you to look at these row of crops on the ground. Starting from the path, I want you to count carefully from the first row of crops up to the 6th. When you reach the 6th row, stop and follow along that row carefully. Eventually, you'll find the rapier glittering inside some patch of crops. Now equip your mask, steal the rapier, and move out of the crime scene to avoid any trouble. When the coast is clear, congrats! You can now equip your new weapon for Damien. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.